Having problems? When to go?
Okay, hold on.
When to go?
I'm your science teacher. Let me go over the rules. No laughing at my mustache! What's the rule number 2? No laughing at home. Sometimes my mustache. That's okay, that's only Wednesdays. Which is today. But it's not. That's good water. Okay, let's go over the rules. No handbags such as these. You have one of these, I give you a detention. You have one of these, I give you 2 detention. Have one of these. Smack my hand. Anyway, I'm your science teacher, so we'll be doing lots of work, lots of scientific stuff. Like, let me tell you, like, we will be mixing the duct tape in this poison that only mustache. Let me tell you rule number 3. You are ugly. All of you. All you little ugly things. You don't know what beauty is until you look at me. You don't know nothing. You might want to take some notes. You can take them. God damn it, take the hand up.